Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making slime. We both have our containers, we have some film, and we have some lotions. We have two of them, because this one might run out. And we have some Tide. And of course, the main thing that we need is... Okay, let's put everything down. So take out the glitter for you. We have a fork to mix it with, a whisk it, and a plate. So let's get started. And today we do not have glitter because usually we make glitter, so we're going to be using markers.
Si ella desea agradecer por un cuerpo, como lo hacemos muchos de nosotros para los mexicanos, no necesita ayudarnos porque Dios nos conoce en nuestra desnudez, pero de repente agredir, vamos a decir, a una comunidad, un espacio, simplemente por desnudarse, yo creo que eso es delicado.
Algunos de los usuarios de la red se sintieron tan agredidos que no cesaron
So we might be doing some videos because my mom, she doesn't like our room, so we have to get rid of it somehow. So we don't want to be wasting it, so we're going to mix it. Next is we usually put lotion in it.
La manera en la que pienso
So I'm going to put some lotion in
es
it.
como que
Not usual because mine
sentir
uses
que no
one.
encajo. La llamada reina del erotismo dice estar tranquila
Some
con su
lotion around
conciencia
this
y
one.
desea que algunos tantos sí hayan captado el mensaje que había tras esas polémicas imágenes. Yo pienso que Dios no me
Now I'm going to
tocó
put
tan
some
y no la
perfume from Victoria's
Y
Secret.
eso es lo que ellos no pueden percibir en mí. Ariel Rojas
Lexi, why did you do that? It's liquid. It's not hard.
Can
you give me a napkin, please?
Una mejor educación
Just-
sexual y según ella combatir la
I don't even know where any
pornografía en la
napkins
Ciudad
are.
de México. Inés Moreno, primer
Give me
impacto.
something. Give me a napkin. I don't even know where you're from with napkins.
Recibimiento, bienvenida. Recibieron a casa las campeonas
I
mundiales.
don't
Así que nos acompaña Javi Joy con las
Okay,
imágenes
no.
del partido de impacto, ¿verdad, Javi?
Aquí estamos, chicas, me da mucho gusto acompañar a las mujeres campeonas de los Estados Unidos y por supuesto aquí también, mujeres
something like a
campeonas en
napkin.
información. Nos vamos con esto, ¿cuál será el futuro de Neymar? Aquí se los contamos. Neymar brilla por su ausencia en los
Sorry for the
entrenamientos del
loud
Mauricio
TV.
Club.
My grandma's
Se
watching
especula su
some
salida del club con posible destino al Fútbol Club Barcelona.
Anyways,
El PSG
get
emitió un
some
comunicado
spray.
anunciando que tomará las medidas que sean convenientes.
And it also has glitter in it.
El padre del
So, yeah.
futbolista declaró que le sorprende el comunicado, ya que el club estaba notificado que Ney reportaría hasta el 15 de junio. Ha trascendido que el Barcelona no pagaría
Anyway,
más
she made a
de
heart,
160
so-
millones de euros.
So it
En
spilled.
una gran noche de
Who's that?
exhibición de cuadrangulares en Cleveland, el primera base de los New York Mets,
I don't
Pete
put the
Alonso,
color in because I don't know how to squeeze it out.
en 2019,
Comment down below if you have any hacks.
mexicano Vladimir Guerrero Jr. de los Toronto Blue Jays. El jugador de los Mets se
Oh, I
convirtió
got
en el
away,
segundo
look.
pelotero en toda la historia del equipo en ser campeón en un home run.
Some scissors and get the color you want. Actually, I don't want green.
Qué manera de pasarle
I
por encima a su rival. Tremenda clavada.
I want some dark blue.
Jugada de Jackson Hyde de los
So,
Pelicans sobre
get
Mitchell
dark blue,
Walker
get some
de los
scissors. Oh,
Toros
look,
de
it
Chicago.
matches. Anyway, get some scissors. Cut the top off. Victoria's Secret, and it says love and glitter inside.
6-2 y 6-2 para así vencer a su rival. Serena buscará este 2019 su séptimo título en Inglaterra. Zapatero a tus zapatos, le dijeron al excéntrico y multicampeón Floyd Mayweather,
Get our Tide ready.
quien se animó a saltar a la duela y con un movimiento de cadera se nos fue de knockout derechito a la duela. El que no cae resbala y definitivamente lo suyo son los guantes. Bueno, vimos caer ahí a la arrogante.
So I put I cut a top of a blue marker, and it's right there, so you can do that too. So whatever color. Don't cut a lot.
La próxima semana regresa el fútbol
So all
mexicano.
those colors we
Estamos
can
en Los
choose
Ángeles,
out.
California, con la
I'm doing
Supercopa
pink.
MX entre Necaxa y Cruz Azul y las Águilas del América contra los Tigres. Así que nuestra gente este fin de semana
Told you not
aunados a la
a
gala
lot.
del Balón de Oro.
Mucha actividad.
Okay, now we're gonna start mixing and see how our colors turn out.
Ahí estaremos y la próxima semana arranca también una nueva era para que estén al pendiente. Espérenlo. Nos vamos a pintar de verde y ya les contaremos mucho más porque hay sorpresas.
Turning
Estamos muy
blue.
pendientes con este gran equipo de Univisión Deportes. Muchas gracias.
Gracias, chicas.
I think I have to mix it a lot.
La frontera sur de México obliga a los inmigrantes a tomar nuevas rutas.
Oh, it's coming. I don't even know where my little dot went.
Una corona se encuentra con un limón.
Just keep mixing.
Es como si el tiempo no
Because I got a little pinkish color. I'm gonna cut more. I'm pretty sure I
pariente para sentirse
need more. I'm just gonna cut the whole thing.
sin estar cerca. Y estamos todos. Es todo lo que necesitamos. Cuando
There.
una corona se encuentra con un limón, tu lugar favorito tiene que ver más con quién que con dónde.
Okay.
Hay
It's not
cosas que
working.
no podemos explicar, como por qué los comentaristas latinos cantan ese gol tan largo. Lo que sí te vamos a explicar es tu seguro de auto. Cuando llamas a Seguros de Auto y Hogar Amica, te explicamos todos los detalles y respondemos
Look,
todas
it's
tus
turning
preguntas.
blue.
Para recomendarte la cobertura que tú y tu familia necesitan. Y no podemos decirte por qué le echamos
I'm gonna
limón
get a
todo.
bigger
Porque
blue
pensamos
marker.
que todo el que tiene
Life
derecho
hack.
habla español.
Use it as you spin. Take off the marker. Take off the lid. And then start
Abuela, él no habla español.
doing that. And it'll make it the color that you want. You're gonna have to mix for a
Pero sí te
little while.
podemos asegurar la misma experiencia inigualable de servicio que nos
Just
han
use a
tenido
little
por más de
thing.
100 años.
'Cause it's easier. Look, mine's turning pink.
Conócenos y recibe una cotización
This is so
gratis sin
disgusting.
compromiso. Platica con Amica y siéntete seguro.
Family Care tiene una fórmula en seco que protege contra mosquitos. Para que pases al perro a tu manera. Oh, vive a tu manera. Es Steve Johnson.
Hay cosas que no podemos explicar, como por qué los comentaristas latinos cantan ese gol tan largo.
Let's get another blue marker. That was disgusting. Ew, it's right there.
Sí te
Look
vamos
how
a
nasty
explicar
this
es tu
is.
seguro de auto. Cuando llamas a Seguros de Auto y Hogar Amica, te explicamos todos los detalles y respondemos
I'm gonna use one of these markers that we don't even use, so I'm gonna cut
recomendarte la
it.
cobertura que tú y tu familia necesitan. Y no podemos decirte por qué le echamos limón a todo. O por qué pensamos que todo el que tiene nombre latino habla español.
Is one not here yet? I went to saw her.
Abuela, habla español.
What y'all put in it? Crowns?
Now you wanna join us? Now? You said tomorrow.
So
Okay,
you use
okay.
crowns?
No, it's markers.
What are these for? Or markers?
We're cutting the tops to make the color.
Oh, and then y'all spraying it in?
Y recibe una cotización gratis sin compromiso. Platica con Amica y siéntete
Oh, I just realized Lexi's sitting over there mixing it in with the crown.
What? I should have did that. All you have to do is push down the thing.
Yeah, and then it'll squirt out.
Yeah, and then just start doing that, and it'll make
Yours is like really dark pink.
Well, that's how I wanted it. Look, see?
My girlfriend's sister lives on like a lot.
See?
Huh?
Are you calling? FaceTime her. Is that your girlfriend?
Yeah.
FaceTime. Knew it.
No, she doesn't have her phone right now. She's in her mom's. And she doesn't have an iPhone.
Yeah.
You wanna talk to her?
See, look.
Yours is already thick.
Ready? I want that color. Oh my gosh, I see it. Where do you do that?
Hello. My sister's gonna talk to you. Do you wanna talk to them?
Now watch. See who? Workout.
Hello.
Tell her she's gonna meet us one day.
I know that is what I was gonna tell her. Hello.
You have to
So
get
do
a
you wanna talk to
different.
them?
Oh no.
Remember, they know how to do eyeshadow.
Look, this one.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it to them.
so cringy for her.
Yeah, y'all can have. Oh no, Lexi should probably have
Just
that one.
take it off. She doesn't know English.
Yeah, she does. But, yeah, she does.
She probably knows a little bit, but she doesn't understand what she's saying.
Oh, I thought no, I thought y'all meant her. I was like, she knows English.
Oh.
I was like, what? Hello? So y'all gonna say hi?
Hi.
En automóviles, autobuses de pasajeros, taxis y camiones de carga. Caminos provenientes de Guatemala y Belice. En esta ocasión detienen a dos mujeres que viajaban sin documentos en los taxis.
What?
Pero es que solo uno de los nuevos programas impuestos por el gobierno mexicano ante la presión de Estados
Hello.
Unidos, que están obligando a los
They
migrantes
said hi.
a tomar nuevas rutas y también nuevos alto riesgo. Ahora es más común que los migrantes crucen el río Suchiate en barca durante la madrugada. Ya ni son enganchados por señor.
What?
Saying that I went to
Oh, yeah.
Se ha incrementado hasta los $12,000 según diferentes fuentes.
You know what my little sister also does? She sells rocks at school. She like colors them and gives them faces and then kids buy them.
What the heck? They
Right?
actually do?
Right? Yeah, see? Yeah, she sells them for $1.
We can't even do that on our own school. Like we were selling slime and then
And then what? They told y'all not to?
no, we stopped because we felt like we were gonna get in trouble.
Probably.
People actually bought it though.
Smaller. Yeah.
And then there, technically if you use $100 bill on any store besides pizza, they're available.
I thought you couldn't do that at Subway, but then we went there the other day and they actually accepted it. I was like, what the heck? Oh, yours is nowhere near done, Nana.
I know, I'm coloring it. Activate it.
Oh.
I'm just coloring it still.
Remember, you gotta push it down. You gotta... Oh, never mind.
What's her name?
Huh?
Gabby.
She said she wanted to learn how to do eyeshadow.
Well, she's gonna have to ask her cousin for that.
Why? I thought that was
Julie. No,
Julie knows how to do it.
Julie. Yes. Like literally, she's almost like James Charles.
Gay.
Yes. She has a James Charles palette.
Oh yeah, I remember you told me that.
Yeah. Is there a different kind of like blue? This is pink.
Anything though.
I already used that.
How about this? Oh, you want a darker blue?
Did she just get draws from her house and colors them?
Huh?
Paint?
Yeah, she like paints them and puts eyes in them. I can't find the blue.
I already used 3.
God.
Nothing's working. Oh, this one's not working.
Because you gotta cut it open, remember? Cut the top. You didn't even cut the top out of that one.
I'm going with my hands. That looks more like a purple. She couldn't even make slime.
Yeah. Okay. I think she thinks that they're gonna keep it.
Let's say something costs $5 and you need like a $5
They're not getting
Yeah, I know what you mean. Like some, yeah, I know what you mean. Like some don't take big bills because they don't want to be robbed.
How old is your sister?
I think she's your age, Lexi. No, she's 2 years younger, I think.
13?
Oh, no, No, she's your age actually.
I'm 9 years old. How old is she?
She's like 9 or 8. See? I don't know why I thought she was like his age.
She's younger than me. She's 1 year younger than me.
What the heck? Like, you know, that's asking for a death trap right there. You're playing with death right there.
Well, I can't get it. You laugh.
Like, mix that in, yeah, like that's all the dark right there.
Can you give me some more activator? I need
Let me
a
see, I'll
lot.
get it. How much do you need?
A lot. How much? Trust him with it.
Yeah. You shouldn't say a lot.
Yeah, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. You have to do a little at a time. That's the rule.
What the
Okay, this is done. This is the color I supposedly want. I already used 2 things.
Yours is like a baby blue.
Yeah, but I wanted it dark. Wait, it's gonna make it dark. Oh, I'm dumb. I was literally wasting my time using markers.
And you can mix colors too. Like, what color is this?
That's purple. It's like a grayish.
Yeah. Oh, careful, it's dripping. What the heck? Thank God.
You could have just saved up to buy AirPods. You just need $60
See, but her little sister doesn't have a phone.
Save to buy a phone then. Instead of just wasting on like slime things. We don't waste our slime things. We have a big hour. Can you give me more?
What?
Can you give me more?
You need
I'm
more?
not kneading off my hands because I have a band-aid on.
Yeah.
Like, so you're gonna need it. No.
Yeah, you should probably put it in slowly, not all at once. You know?
Miguel. The thing I hate about this is I don't like the bubbles. It looks so weird. I should have just squeezed it the whole time. See how it's like this? Dang it.
What?
Does she have a boyfriend?
Who? No. Does Annie have a boyfriend?
What?
Dang. I never got this show. Like, everything always looks so furry. Huh? Yeah. Wow. Huh? Yeah. Wow. Oh, because she's in back there singing.
It's hard making sense. Wait, is she 8? Wait, how old? Not how old is she? What grade is she in? Probably like in 2nd right now.
No, 3rd.
She's in 3rd? She's going in 3rd or she is in 3rd?
Wait, what grade is Annie in? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, she's Emma's age.
Emma's smaller.
She's 8. And she's going to 3rd grade.
No, now I'm thinking of how small Danny is.
I want to see her girlfriend looks and her little sister. They said that. Miguel, do you know whenever I was cutting that line, I actually cut myself.
You did. That's what I thought you did.
And then I was hiding it.
Because it's so
I need a little more.
sharp. Dang, Annie looks like a little door.
I want to see.
Like, that's her little sister and her little brother. That's the wow girl. Though. Oh wait, no, go back.
She's so small.
What the heck? Why did I open up
She
YouTube?
looks like a freaker.
So like, and this is one now.
That's how they look now?
Yeah,
Oh, they're tall.
yeah. He is.
Is he taller than you? Taller than
I
Poppy?
think he's as tall as Holly.
What grade is he?
The small one? I think she's a little bit shorter than me. No, I think you're probably about the same. No, you are probably about the same height.
She's taller than Emma?
Yeah.
I'm one of the tallest in my class. What do you mean?
What kind of socks are you wearing? They feel funny.
They're soft socks. So I was looking in the bathroom for I don't know what, and then I found this kit, so I opened it, it had perfume, it had lotion, and then there's socks right now, but oh, I want to wear these. And I saw this kit before, and I was like, now those are socks, I thought those were towels. The slide's almost done.
No, Lexi's is almost done. I think hers is done.
I think I overactivated it. Yeah, because you have a mini slime.
You have less slime than her though.
Yeah, it is true. She has more slime than me. Now the colors. Oh my.
Yeah. God.
Can they FaceTime? Why not?
Because she doesn't have an iPhone anymore. She's using her mom's phone.
What kind of phone is your mom have? So how do you guys talk to each other? Text and FaceTime her.
Huh?
FaceTime her. I want to see how she goes.
We can't. She doesn't have an iPhone right now. She's using her mom's phone.
Where's your iPhone?
Because right now she doesn't have service.
Is she at a field trip?
No.
Does she know that you're important? Has she always want to go there? Has she been here?
No. She's in Texas. Dang, I was looking at someone's story and there's this girl holding a baby and she looked kind of like Marlene. I was about to say, ooh, Marlene. She did? Yeah, maybe she is pregnant this time. I don't know. I feel like Aaron would be a good dad. I don't know about her.
My ring!
She keeps sitting there feeding it everything. Thank God.
I heard her in the middle of the night.
No.
Oh my gosh, those blankets are taking my ring. What is she saying about the dresses? Are you just listening?
Yeah.
So,
When?
this is how slime turned out. I should add apples now. I got purple.
Yo se lo digo porque no está fácil, ¿eh? Los niños artistas de hoy son diferentes a los de antes.
So there's,
Ya no son ni sombra de lo que era antes. Usted, por ejemplo, se acuerda de los
Really
niños.
good.
oh my god.
Jamás se subieron a
So
una
bye
bicicleta.
bye.